Hello, this is Chadwick, and today I'm here to show you how to download your upgrade.bin file for your Safepal wallet or any other financial uh, document or program related to the finance industry or something important. We need to verify that you're getting the correct file that you download, that you haven't been referred to a third-party download site and download the right file. So for this, what we're going to do is we're going to look for this. It's called file hash, and I checked for file hash checker Chrome app. Here it is on the Google Chrome Web Store, and there it is on my apps. So what you do is you go to safepal.io/upgrade. Enter your device's number, your serial number. Press search, and you get the sha256 hash. And you download the file. Should just take a few minutes to download. It's important that you understand how to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to open that Chrome app, and we're going to move this file upgrade.bin into the box generated by the Chrome app, and it's going to give us a sha256 checksum, which is this number right here. Now, if anything has been changed with this file or it's been modified, then by anyone other than Safepal, then this will be different. So this will be the same if it's the original file and you've downloaded the official upgrade.bin file. So on other websites like Ledger and I'm not sure, Pal maybe, or some other wallets, if you're into cryptocurrency and you have to upgrade your firmware and things like that, then you're going to, or you have to download Ledger Live maybe, and some other programs that are sensitive that you don't get the hacked version or something, some kind of hacker referring you to a third-party website and making you download malicious content. So this checks that the file is the same one that Safepal intended for you to download, and just like Ledger or any other hardware wallet for cryptocurrency, you're going to have a high level of security. So a sha256 checksum is a unique number for a file. It must be identical. If you change one letter in the code or just one small difference, then your sha256 checksum will be a different number. So we're going to check once this file is downloaded. It should just be about another minute. My screencast-o-matic recorder will record for 15 minutes. So let's see. I'm in a rural area, so it takes quite a while to download things sometimes. There we go. Let's see, another 30 seconds, 20 seconds, 17, 15, 13. Alright, so it's almost done. Nine seconds. Took about 2 minutes to download. I'm in a rural area and I have very slow internet, so alright, there we go. So let's go to apps and let's open file hash. And down here you have a box. For this example, as you can see here, it says sha256. So we're going to change that to sha256. And let's go ahead and show in folder for the file. There it is. Now let's move it to the upgrade bin, and it will generate a hash. Now let's check that against this. So it says FODC 83 2B, 30B 9FE, 333 7914, AAA 09 D2 DB, 1FF 8A, 8C 4E 5594, AD0D9, A0D9, DDF 45983B25015483. So this file on my hard drive right now that I just copied from my Explorer, my downloads folder, is the correct file that Safepal intended for me to receive. So we know that that is an official file and has not been altered or tampered with. Have fun in your cryptocurrency endeavors, please. Do something nice for somebody, and comment, subscribe, watch, and any requests for videos, please let me know. Bye bye.